how to change Gmail notification settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Let's get started. Open up your browser, head over to your Gmail. Now, to manage your notifications, you need to head over to settings, tap on the gear icon in the top right, and then tap on see all settings. There, under the general tab, scroll down until you find notification. Once you find desktop notifications, you can see three options. You can either turn on new mail notifications, important mail notifications, or turn off your mail notifications completely. If you are turning on the notification, you can also choose the mail notification sounds. You can see various sounds and choose from the one below. So it's as simple as that to manage your notifications on Gmail. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.